Humans have a special place in Allah's plan. We are more than just friends of the earth. We are its keepers. In line with Islamic principles, it is time to take a real look at our environmental impact as individuals, families, and as a community. Islam is a way of life, and looking after our environment is just as much a part of that life as fasting, praying, and giving of charity in the month of Ramadan and beyond. This Ramadan, we will explore our duty as Khalifa on this earth. Exploring living more intentional lives and the idea that living with less can give us so much more. We have a duty to help protect and nurture our planet, with increasing damage to the environment and disregard for the protection of natural habitats and wildlife. Our Earth continues to suffer under the relentless growth of uncontrolled capitalism and consumerism. This Ramadan, we aim to share knowledge, open discussions, and offer practical ways to be more environmentally conscious and live more environmentally friendly lives. Our earth remains one of the most beautiful and sure signs from Allah. The powerful and inspiring landscapes, nature, and wildlife that make up our natural world is a testament to the beauty of Allah's creation. It is time for us to make good that which we have taken for granted. What action will you start to take this Ramadan to reduce, reuse, and renew? Ramadan Mubarak to you all. Together, let's make a difference.